Hey there, so I just thought I'd do a quick recording on how to create that cover page that includes all the links rather than sending the kids loads of different activities. They're all done on the one page through links. So if you go in here to Seesaw page, click Add, Assign an Activity. And that brings you into your library. So in your library, create new activity. And then you go in here, add multimedia instructions. So add it here, and we're going to go into drawing. So in drawing, move this over a bit, you can maybe first of all change the background. So we make it nice dusty pink or something. Back in here, text, we might write Tuesday, 19th of January. And then you click out of it to move it. So we might put that in there. Then you might click a nice picture or something like that, but we can go into all those details yourself. So in here are the shapes. So we might just click a star. There'll be English, Irish, maths, religion, maybe an extra thing. I don't know, maybe 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move them out. So you'd have 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We might need them bigger as we write the subjects and that on them. So that's the first page. So that's the page that you'll send out to them, and you can make it as detailed as you want. So I'm just going to do the first one for you, and then I'll change it as we go on. So we'll say here Gaeilge. And we'll move this to here, and then you can resize it as you know. So the next bit is you create over here. Let me see if I can move this. So over here, this is where you create a new page. If you can see here, create a new page. So the next page is going to be, again, you can go in, change the background color. And we might put in here, it's the Gaeilge page. And what we want in the Gaeilge pages are links to, I don't know why that keeps moving. So we're going to add a link. So the first link we're going to add is the homework page that we're listening to in Bungabar. So we go into our drive, shared with me, second class, week 2, and we'll find the video for Tuesday. So here's the video for Tuesday. So we'll just copy the link. Get a link. Anyone with the link? Okay, so copy link. We go back to Seesaw and we put the link in here. Paste. So it comes up there, and then we can just minimize it here. So the link page, and if we had anything else, instruction wise to give them, you could put it in on this page here, but we don't really, so we'll just leave it like that. And then we go back to the first page, if you can see over here. So when you get back to the first page, your Gaeilge is here. Here's your link page here, and you link this star to the second page. So you're going to put in page 2. Now, so when the children see this first screen, this first page, they'll see Gaeilge and they just click on the link here, and that will bring them to this page, and then they can click in on their activity here. So then we do another page, and we change the background again, dusty pink. We'll add in a text box and we'll say English. So in English, we're going to link 2 pages. The first page will be the link to the parents' activities, you know, as in like what the list of things that the parents have to do with them, like reading the questions and that. So it'll be get link, the link, go back into Seesaw, and then you paste the link here. Hopefully that works. Great, so we might put this over here and say parent guide, something like that here. And then we're going to give another link to the actual webs or the activity that they had to do, like the voice recording. So that was a video link, wasn't it? So it is I'll just pause this while I find it. Hang on a second. So what I did was I just went into the timetable and going to copy the link here. Oops. Copy link. Go back into Seesaw. Paste the link. That should come up as the YouTube video then. Yep. And then we can make another box. Bring it over here and say children's activity. Okay, so then we go back into the first page. We put a text box on the star just to say English. We make it a bit smaller. Bring it over to the star. We can make the star bigger. I'll go back and make all this work a bit better. Oops. Click on the star. Anyway, I'll figure it out. You get the idea. Then you're going to link this to page 3. So link to page 3. And so then when they click on the link, they're brought into this page here. And then you can jazz that up a bit as well if you want to. On their assessment, it's on Friday there when I did their spelling test, I just went into, when I was reviewing them, went into the review and I clicked in here, I clicked on shape and I gave them a star on their work. So just to show you that, if that might be a little kind of handy tip to know. So the next page, page 4, again, we do the background and include a text box, and this time it could be religion, say. So I have up here the Grow in Love link page, so we'll get a link here from Grow in Love, copy it, bring it back to Seesaw, put it into a link. So they get the idea that the Grow in Love, this is what it looks like, and then we might put in the details for them, what they might need to know, as in the login. So right, Grow in Love, so it's www.grow. Username is, I think it's trial grow in trial at Grow in Love, isn't it? Oops. .ie, and then the password is Grow in Love. And then explore theme 4. Yeah. So then you go back to your first page, and we might put Ori in here. So it'll be religion. I'll just put in, oops, where's it gone? Religion. We might put that at the last star. So we'll put it there. I'll make the stars bigger later. So then what we do next is we're going to, oops, daisy, make this star bigger so it's easier. Then tag, and this is going to be link page 4. Okay, so you get the idea. I'll make it all even and all that. We'll put in a voice note, so we could put a voice note in on this page if we wanted to. And then this is the other bit I wanted to show you here. So here's my little bit emoji. So you have to download it from Bitmoji Chrome, and it'll come up. I'll just show you. So we might just say like good morning or good morning. See what comes up. So what you do is just do this one for laugh. Copy image, and then you bring it over here and Command paste. My computer's a bit slow, but it should bring that Bitmoji over. So it's, if you just Google Bitmoji Chrome and it just download it, it'll come up onto your bar up here then, and you can personalize your avatar and that. So they'll get an idea of who's correcting the work, I suppose, with our pictures on the front. So that's the kind of idea here. I'll go back and I'll kind of make it look a bit nicer, but that's the idea. So they have the front page, and on the front page they've all the little links here for each subject, and then they can click in and out of each page. So I'm going to click like ready or whatever. I'm not sure what that button is. It's just a tick, so it says uploading. And I think it just goes on to save, and we just save the activity. So once you've clicked it, it brings you into this page here. So we just name the activity, the day of the week. Then we might, good morning, second class. Hope you had a nice weekend, blah, 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 blah. We might add voice instructions if you feel like it. And then it's ready to go for them. I still have to figure out, I think we can schedule them. I'm not sure, but it's just going to, you see here, down the bottom, save. So we click that and it'll go into our saved class activities. So I hope that makes a bit of sense for you. So I'm just going to go back now and just amend it, edit it, make it look a bit jazzier. But that's the idea. So hope that helps.